everybody, and I'm back. I know I've been taking so long to be doing my streams, but life, it does that to you. Let me go ahead and wait for this commercial. Alrighty, come on, commercials. Darn it. Alright, so, yep, welcome back. This is another game of Ratchet and Clank. And let's see how this goes. Oop, unplugged the controller, it doesn't like that. So, yeah, I don't know what part this is, so I kind of labeled it Part 4 with a question mark, so hopefully it looks, hopefully it sounds okay. Let me go ahead and listen just to see. Oh, wait, gotta turn that up. Can't hear that very well. Let's see here. Huh. Game volume seems a little... Wait, hold on. Does it sound okay, one person watching? A little low, but not too bad. I guess you guys can turn it up a little bit, but I don't know. I want it to be convenient for you guys. So, what do you think? Go ahead and move the mic away just a little bit and see how that looks. Hold on. Seems low compared to your mic. So I guess in that case I'll, let's see if I could boost that a little bit. Properties. Huh. Wait a minute. Actually, wait. Hello. Testing. Testing. I don't know if it's gonna go down or if I have to restart the, Hold on, let me see. Let me see here. Testing. 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 Hopefully now with the video. Yeah, I'm using OBS. Does that sound better? I think it sounds a little better actually. Seems good. Okay, good. Got your okay. I think I have like a 10-second delay on this, so it's a little odd. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Let's load. Hopefully this thing doesn't glitch out on me. Unfortunately, when I played Smash, this thing had some problems. Seems good, yeah, roughly. Okay. I don't know what yeah, roughly is referring to, but that's okay. Loading complete. Okay. I'm actually really glad I got a PlayStation 3 after the release because or I'm sorry, after its lifespan, because now I have all the good single player games. And I must say, I am a sucker for this franchise. I really like Ratchet and Clank. And let's see, activate vendor. We have 4 Raridium. It's a funny name. I think I already bought everything that I could. What does Devastation device do? I wonder, is that like the it has the same explosion symbol as the what's it called? Is the Rhino, so maybe it's like a Rhino. Nuclear or something device, whatever. Back in the ship. Let's see what we got here. frozen base. Did I do everything else there? Let me just check, because I didn't I put this down for a little bit, so. Yep, okay, so I did everything there. So what's this? Find and confront the thief. Okay, let's go. You know, it really stinks. I really want to get a PS4, but at the same time, I really don't, because I don't want to pay money to play online, and I just don't want to do that, so. Alright. Steal that money, let's see here. I know there's an Easter egg around here somewhere. I forget where it is. I want to see if I can find it. Do I have a 360? I did, but I sold it because I literally, like, it's a long story, but I pretty much just said I'm kind of done with Xbox. It's a long story, but I did. And I had a lot of stuff for it, too. Ooh, Synthenoid blaze through frantic fights with your robot assassin. Oh, nice. Or assistant, I'm sorry. Let's see. Down there. How's the volume? Let me see. Let me see. I want to hear how this sounds here. Oh, jeez. Ow, 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 ow. Sim's okay. Alright, I guess I'll try. Ouch, 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 ouch. Ow. Yeah, oh, hello. Ouch. Okay, you know what? Upgrade this gun. Oh, come on, upgrade the shotgun. Please upgrade the shotgun. Oh! Is it back here? The Easter egg? Yeah, here it is! This Easter egg. Oh, I zoom in. There we go. It's this guy who actually passed away in development of Ratchet and Clank Size Matters. And that's his face. That's cool. He's also in like a few other games. He shows up too. Alright, let's see here. Come on, bring it on! Bring it on! Yes! Oh! Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh, I love this gun. I love this gun so much. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's a shotgun. It... should I turn my mic up a little bit? I'll do that if you think that's better. Yeah, I like these games. These games are very good, the Ratchet and Clank games. Splan, do you think I should, or Splain, do you think I should, you know what, I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit. Let me see. Let me see how it sounds. Yeah, let me try and see if maybe I can turn down the game volume a little bit. Give me just a second, guys. Let's see here. Hello, testing, testing. Hello. How does that sound? Hello. I only know if you guys say something. CC Dell, I would like to do that, but unfortunately, unfortunately, if I do that, I'm gonna have to stop. But on the plus side, I do save the streams, And another thing is I'm going to try and upload them to YouTube, but if you want, next time, well, I mean, whether if I run around or not, it's not going to matter too much. But pretty much what I was going to say was I could try to lower it a little bit, if anything, but for now I think I'm going to keep it where it is. But I'll keep it in mind for the next stream, CC. Alright. Yeah, let me make noise and shoot. Let's see how it sounds. I'm actually going back to, oh, here we go, Testing. Hello. Alright. How's that? Doing a bit of a quality check here, guys. Sorry if it take a little bit long. Just want to make sure I get it good. Yeah, it sounds good. Okay, let's continue. Frozen. Nope. Okay. Whew. Well, you know, that's not a bad thing because I got here and I can go and pick up some more ammo. So where is pulse rifle, blitz cannon? Yeah, here we go. All right, let's go. Oh no! Don't fall off, please. Not twice in the same. No. I got third person, man. I can turn it into a platformer, and then they could just go like third person, Gears of War style. I love that about this game. Oh, give me that coin. Give me that money. Alrighty, let's see. I wish they could make a new Crash Bandicoot. You know, that is a game that needs to come back. That is a series that I honestly would be perfectly happy if Nintendo took a hold of it. I feel like Nintendo would do that justice, personally. Out of all the game developers, I mean. What is it? Hashtag Crash Bandicoot for Smash or some shit. I don't know. Let's see. Partnered? I don't know what that means, partnered. CC Dell, I think your name is, right? Yeah. All that money. Ah! Oh, really? Is that how you feel? Alright. Eat it! Eat it! Ah, no! Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Darn it. Wait, is this ship destroyable? Wait, I wonder. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no. Turn. There we go. Oh, these controls. Can I actually destroy you? Oh, darn it. Okay, maybe I can't. No, don't die. Please, not yet.